You no go to school. Hey, you don't respect, eh? You don't respect your mother and your father. You school girl, you don't go to school. You sit here to wait, waiting for one. Hey, you don't mind me. You don't know me in this village, eh? Huh? Ow! Hello? Hello? Hey. Mommy. I didn't send the beer. Hannah, what's Nasa? Became him. As Mount Cheddar. Tina about to make a sound when you me. Who said they were hiring Tomko? Uko school bay, Uja Cas Bay. What is annoying? Mr. Guest and some who shall bet this is who went to school down with that? Me who cast that? New paladed that. So they ran out here. Hey, we'll come along. When I'm with this guy over 15 with Mr. Gary, not Mukofa's Japan school. But what? Hey, Mammy, what you own? I will me. Who is on me? I did you for say, Midman, did you want back? Hey, one thing I want out here. Hey. Hey! What was up? No. No. Let's go. I want out. No. I don't know. No. No! What I play? Hi, girl. Can I please play with you? Sorry, no, you can't. Why can't I play with you? Are you in this? Who are you? Do you know her name? No. See, if you will not talk, you can't play with us. Go. Just go away. Go. Because she am very so what that you be a price and cassia. And I send back to 1 ounce over back a sea. BUKOM, one who will be a person bar. Many one I could squeeze everything be seen there. Young conto, I want to come on a sabum. My BUKOM, some cassibi ba. Now I'm very ounce over. I bear some cassia pa. He was a dear kitten, so who often to be that back a sea. We say they want to compare to me the boom. Sit in your 4. You could be senior. Signing into be hey, mammy. Hey, mammy, no, mammy, her before don't want him. Yakabia or Munti, they be to quite event to qua. Yes, now, money, and it's uncle to quada. This is the important banasa. We see where Bianca papa and the day. A coca cacusi, elbow for Mr. Saffo. That's Saffo. One papa, I want to hear meanings that mammy for intimacy or the age at 2 minutes as you meaning your boom. BUKOM, see your papa, the name, young Cassa, near until the 1 year. That you know, Baba some Cassie. Maybe we do and the question. Minting Tama Mechi, Metam my Mechi. Also, what time I make a fan of way. I found a Bush and Toka.
You talk sensibility.
Oh, yeah.
This is a sensibility talking. You got my head inside. Master, Fufu, you are my friend. Let's go there. That stupid Safo to go and beat out uppercut left. Oh, let's kill her.
Be a killer, be a killer, better day. As someone in front of one castle. A yabote. Yehuna, Yenika say, my friend, a cousin in Yansem. So what's your same time, I suppose, and just sympathy. So once yes, said, yeah, that's a quaggy diggity.
Master,
what I say?
Safono, if you go there to talk, he can't listen to you. Let's go there to kill him. To kill him. Be a killer. Bible say, so Kasa, no, Tia. For winkum,
sir, Matty. Once you just pussy was 1 hour, won't send a bone. So, hey, dear, you best send a bone. In terms of what's ending or say, Uncle. Fufu,
you are my friend. When the man saw snake into the bush, he can never turn into the python.
Yes.
To swallow that snake.
Yes.
Snake cannot walk without no shell.
Yes.
People without community make society.
Yes.
I tell you, let's go there to give them blows.
BUKOM.
Let's go there to
be a brand that you wear box out. Be a blue. Screw them for a crack, have a blue. Yes, sir, to watch it. I will tell him on Queen. The next Sabuko, one says, I feel when you went and BUKOM BANKU. Go to school.
I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
They nearly killed me.
Oh.
I'm
sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It hurts.
I know. Hey, BANKU and Fufu power. With BANKU, I'll leave him with the mother. Fufu Powers is my son, and I know what I'm going to do. I'm surely going to squeeze the head out of him. So don't worry, okay? Everything will be okay, right? You'll be fine.
I hope you brought me some fufu and rice soup.
No, I didn't bring fufu. I brought bread, milk, Milo, and some cereal.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Hope you're taking your tablet, your medicine.
Yes, I am. Please get in there and heat some water, and I want to take oat, and add a lot of milk.
Jesus Christ, what kind of life is this? How can they do such a thing to you? So you are not strong, cry. So when they were, what were you doing?
Oh, I've tried my best. So I wanted to.
Baby. Baby, you know how much I love you, right?
Yes.
I really love you plenty. So now, the two of us, I don't know what is happening.
What is happening like how, baby?
Yes, I
mean, I can't be with the same woman BANKU. Look at BANKU's class and look at my class. I'm a fine boy. I'm a city boy. I can't be in this.
You remember here the job, bro? See how this? Oh, you go. Can you my don't give me my go?
Maybe who is she?
Who is he? I be gone. You don't know I be human being. I don't say here. If you know what I will bring you here. You know me? Nonsense. See in face. You don't find past me, chef. If you touch me well, maybe we do something. Go that one. See my slippers, give me a go.
What is it? Who is she?
She gave me her slippers to do for. You see, that's the week that I was sick at home, so I couldn't do her slippers.
See, shut up. Me, if you want to reason now, make you reason, oh. This is your mumu boy wait there for a year. He gonna take my money by my slippers and go do give me. Where he never do. Wait, why I gonna stand here for now? If I don't get my slippers, I don't go live here today.
What are you talking about?
Asante.
See, my fresh baby. How can my fresh baby not fix your slippers and be owing you money? What are you talking about?
Hey!
Not the old.
See, if you don't take my money, give me now,
Why you want to kill her?
See, if you go inside now, I go beat you. You know, you never hear of me. This whole area, they don't tell me I'm no good.
Me, baby. Did you take the money?
The five cents I gave you.
Madam, I have your money. Let's just go to my house. I'll give it to you, please.
Oh God, This is why I say go and be my business, oh. But you carry my money, go give this mumu girl this toy. You know what in the two of you they look like?
I'm not toy. I am the first girl in this town. What are you talking about, madam?
The two of you now boutique toy, the one that them the hair and dress. And the two of you, that's what you look like.
Madam, please, just follow me to the house so that I give you your money and stop. See, people are watching. And look, you are letting people look at my fresh baby like that. You are disgracing him.
Now here I go sit wait for you.
Oh, please.
Go bring the money.
Please.
If not so, I will go leave am for here. You be toy, you be toy. You be toy, not be toy.
I be toy now.
Sorry. You be good girl, oh. The day you go to school, your mama, your teacher done good well. You be, they my front, may I follow you. See something in the wear. You dey rocky. Right, you go see. Mumu boy. I'll go meet you.
Oh, she make a job. Oh, she make a job. Oh.
BANKU and then make be a manadi. Make be pa manadi. Agbo totro. Me manadi. Me toffee. I'm a fee. Anyone do. Oh, me so say me toffee. Me toffee. Me yogurt. I'm a fee. Anyone do. No. Hey, me toffee. Kusawai. Ash. Sorry, myself at your point. They make crocodile. And you never have me or come up. Why?
I hope, sir, you bring the light soon.
Ah, me baba. Me fa ginger. Huh?
Bye.
Aha. Umpa ginger on. Me fa green pepper. Carrot. Me yogurt. Me baba why? Me got to me tini juma. Me yogurt. I'm and what done. Now that's my test money. What? What but up and I will yell it. And now we are your grams. I know. So, woman, what about the other? Huh? Maybe so when you're home, a branch your papa. When you're home, I walk it every one. What but about? Can't bless you. And I'm moving you. Move cook paper pay. The body away is so high. A number. No, me didn't get the animal for them. What's one they want? What's it? What's it? Mama! Mama! Yes! Mama! I warn you, Mama! I don't want to see that stupid man in this house again. Hey! Your love will be fake. This love is not coming on. I tell you, Mama, if you misbehave, you get trouble for yourself. You!
Hey! Hey! What could be pano? Americano! What's that stupid as so? Huh?
Mama, I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. If I see that stupid man this house again, Mama, your love will finish. Mama, you are not to finish. I tell you, you are not to finish. Mama, I'll beat you if you misbehave.
You beat me. You beat me.
Mama,
you beat yourself.
Mama,
you reduce your life. Hey, I love the man. In love for my love. In love catch me. I love him to nonsense degree.
Mama, I want you. I don't want to beat you, Mama.
The man in love catch me.
Mama, Mama,
he love
Mama.
I swear. He love catch me, pa. Me don't act to me dumb. He love for my love.
See Mama. See Mama. It's not my fault. Look at my mommy. He followed that stupid man. Anytime in trouble in my house. I don't want.
What's that stupid man?
Mama.
What's that you?
Mama. Mama, I'm gonna kill Mama. I'm gonna kill Mama.
You are the apple of my eyes. You're so beautiful. It's like when the sun is hitting on Ofrija, you see how you can look at the sun. When I see you, I can look at you. I'm proud of my baby.
You see your face.
Your body just seems like butter bread. Baby girl, I have some good news.
What?
You see that my uncle from Italy, right? They want me to join him in the city. And then we establish some nice big company, right? Nice job so that I get money and come and take care of you and take you back to the city.
You want to go to the city and leave me here with BANKU?
BANKU? Oh baby girl, no. You see, I want to go and enjoy my uncle in the city and make a lot of money.
BANKU will kill me in this village, you know.
He will kill you. Baby girl, I'll bury him. Oh, I'll bury him. Baby. You should make a job. It doesn't fit me. I'm a fine boy. See, fine boy in the pay. Baby girl, let me go to the city. I'll make a lot of money. I'll come and pick you and then we'll go together, baby girl. My baby. My bongonja. Baby, come. I'm going to the city. I'll make a lot of money, baby. Oh, my baby. My bongonja. Oh, baby. Oh, my God, baby. Okay. I didn't call you. I didn't even say BANKU. Baby, go. You won't touch you. Go. Baby, go. BANKU.
Yeah. Are you okay? You're so quiet and you look worried. Are you okay?
I have a big problem. A very big one.
And what kind of problem is that?
I'm going to tell you. But promise me you will not tell anybody.
Okay.
Nobody.
Okay, I promise.
Not even your mother.
You are really, really scaring me. Go ahead, I'm waiting.
I'm pregnant.
You are what?
I'm pregnant. And I'm very confused. I don't know who's the father. I don't know if it's Kelvin or BANKU. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
What do you mean by you are confused? So both of them are doing it together?
What kind of stupid question is that? Please just help me out and stop asking me stupid questions.
Okay. Let's not fight. Okay. You don't worry. I'll find a way. I'll see how I can help you with all this. Okay? Yeah. If I get away, I'll come to your house and I'll see how I can help you.
Okay. Thank you.
Just calm down.
Okay. When you find something, let me know. I'm going to the house. I have to go and sleep.
You just let me escort.
Stop! Hey! I don't want you! Hey! How many times I warned you for my girlfriend? How many times? You want to break my temperature? I'll kill you! Wait! Nonsense!
Oh, yes, I'm nonsense.
Well, only a foolish dog run after the flying.
When
I see you again, I'll cut your head. You know? Why? What? You want to kill me?
you laughing? I hate that teacher. I hate him. What happened? What did he do? He must see my uniform is torn.
But if your uniform is torn, shouldn't he say?
Shouldn't he say? Would he give me money?
Girls. Yes, what it says means in town.
Hey, Madam Fila, Madam. What is it?
Ya is pregnant. She doesn't know whether it's for Kelvin or it's for Banku.
Are you serious?
Good news, it's for Kelvin.
You, who told you?
She told me herself. Oh, I'm so happy. It is for Kelvin. She loves Kelvin. It's for Kelvin.
Look at you. Look at me, what? Kelvin. How did you know?
I went down. She loves the guy.
Tomorrow we'll go to your house and you'll find out.
No. You guys will come to my house. Then I'll take you to her house. Then we'll all confirm it.
Yeah, that's true.
No. We don't need to go there. She's pregnant. It's for Kelvin. You too. Why? Are you the one pregnant?
Ask her.
I'm happy that she's pregnant.
Don't worry. We'll go and ask her, okay?
Yes, what is it you asked for me?
Yes, I want to tell you something.
Look, you better start talking because I have a lot of stuff to do at the shop. I need to fix people's shoes. So talk.
Do you know that?
She's what?
Yes.
You're serious?
I'm serious. She's pregnant.
How did you know?
She told me, you couldn't tell me.
Did she tell you who's responsible for the pregnancy?
No, she didn't tell me. There's no.
Foolish girl. How do you know it's me? My friend, I'll talk to you later. Go. Village champion. Village champion.
Double wahala.
Yeah. See your life. You see your life. What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Why didn't you tell me you were pregnant and you went telling your friends? How does that make me look?
Calm down.
Who told who? Who did you tell? That Amma and her so-called friend. She's laughing when I'm serious.
Baby, come.
Don't.
Oh, you too. Oh. See. I'm not pregnant.
You're not pregnant. So why did you tell them you're pregnant?
Because I wanted to know who my real friend is. I wanted to know if it's Amma or no now. I'm not pregnant.
Yeah, we're shaking small. So I'm going to the city. So you're not pregnant.
But wait, baby. Even if I'm pregnant, it's for you.
Look, let me tell you something. I'm going back to the shop. I have a lot of stuff to do, so I'll come back later and see
Baby. See, you say the pregnancy is not for you. You want one more.
As I'm talking to you now, the goods are in. We will need about $37,000 to go and clear those goods. Get me? I'm just coming from the harbor right now. So please, I need that money to add to mine so that goods will be cleared from the harbor now.
Okay, well, you getting the money won't be a problem, eh? The issue is I'll be going to the village tomorrow. Yeah.
Sammy.
The minute I get back, you hear from me.
When are you coming back?
Oh, I won't be staying long in the village.
This is business. Quick, sharp. This one, we just need to go and clear those goods, distribute it, get our share. You take yours, I take mine. We are gone.
Don't worry. See, you get the money.
Don't joke with business. Oh.
Let's go. You get the money.
Sammy.
Charlie. See.
No, sometimes you need to be serious with this, man.
Right now, I don't want stress. Let's go.
You are following business first.
Your way, go to school.
Sammy, okay, assassin, land.
Yeah, I've gone around the whole village to check my dad's lands and all the property, and they are all intact. Mommy, I think I need to sell some of the lands so I can take my elder brother, BANKU, to the city so that I can do something to help himself. I don't like the way he's loitering up and down in the village.
It is true. Who didn't acquire a year? So, Ben Nante ha. But, sir, problems. BANKU, problems. Here, there, can talk problems. So, and a summer walk around Hamid. Ah, and 2 patches of queen won't make a BANKU. And then other profession, sir.
Mom, you know I'm not used to this. The life in the city is different, but I'll try.
Hey, yes, I'm a baby. What is wrong with your baby?
Mommy, I'll try.
What try that baby? Ah.
Mommy, you don't worry.
Somehow can you cry me back pet Thomas one, my mom.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll take BANKU to the city and he'll come back to make you happy. Huh? I'll make you happy.
Thank you.
Huh?
Jenny, baby. My love, my baby, I'll come for you. Don't cry, don't shed tears, my baby.
Smell it. Oh, my baby.
My sweetie. My love.
So when I go to the city, I'll add that to my career. I'll start singing. Oh, baby, see. This is Banana Love.
Banana love is the unwanted. Let's just love forever. Let me tear it into.
Oh, baby, please. I'll come for you. BUKOM BANKU or Fufu BANKU, whatever they call it, cannot take you away from me. I'm coming back for you.
My baby, when you cry, you make my heart do boom boom ja, boom boom. My bridge do, my baby. You want to leave me in this village, man? Oh, no. Oh,
I'll come for you, baby. I promise you, I'll come for you. You know what? The boom boom ja in my chocolate. My bridge do. Give my love. You love me, Dad. You love it. My baby, sweetie, chai, my baby, sweet. Oh, goodness, this carrot is killing me. I give you my last carrot before I go. So when I go, how many city girls? I heard there are so many beautiful cities.
Take some more so you remember.
I should take some more. Oh, goodness, and mercy shall follow me. To the city. I'll come.
But I'm still not happy.
It's a promise. I'm just going to make my money and come back. You know, this shoemaker life doesn't fit me. I'm a fine boy. Fine boy, no they pay. I can't keep living in this village. I don't want to go and be a village champion. I'm a fine boy.
I know.
Yes.
That's why I love you.
I love you more. My sugary. My bumbu chagu. I want. Baby, let me take from the down.
Stop that. BANKU.
Janini, banana. Open it in your mouth. Banana. My one CD. I want CD. Hey, she did. Wanda.
Hey, wait. No. Who say I'm wrong? Catch it. Me know what more than 7 times. Say I do you J. But it won't feel me. My boy feel no as a won't feel me. We say we are son of Bowen Berman and a bully yachia. One hour bully yachia. Obey open the yay over to the Kumhanum. We saw boss one to oh boy, for oh baby, oh cool. I didn't ever say any man's avatar. Oba ini kwini. Ebuku manku. Wabono kasa cheska no pa awianimre. Skim go waji be kita ma waji. Ya ponso waji ya macha waji. Ade ne so distance mfo no. Ene na bo ma jana be siyam. Right, jira hakaji. Ja. Hey. Ah, over me. Right. Left to. Yeah. Get there. Who you have Who you have Right. Who you have left. Who you have upper. Upper. Who's on Let's go. Who's on there? I am in let's go. Let's go. What?
Double wahala. Your way. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Lewin and BUKOM BANKU are two best friends, one village in one corner. They know they like to go class.
Hey, bruh, I don't want cheating in this one though. I don't want any ojura at all.
No teaching, brother. Brother, come now.
Hey, I said I don't like teaching. I don't want cheating here.
Brother,
this
look. This is no teach. Look.
No. I'm not playing again. Not playing again. Banku.
Brother.
Banku. See, I want to tell you something. Huh? Listen, leave this card. Leave this card. This card is not important.
Brother, don't touch me.
I want to tell you something.
Listen.
See, I don't like the way you are living your life in this village. I want you to leave this village and go to the city with me. I want to take you to the city.
Ah, brother, city.
Yeah.
Some people go to the they die rough road, brother. You want me to die?
Banku, you will not die.
God give me long life to stay in the village. I like this here. I don't want to follow you, brother, to go city. I don't like the city.
Banku, look at me. Am I not looking nice? Don't you want to look like me? Eh? I'm your younger brother, for God's sake. Look at the way I'm shining.
Brother, I don't want to go to the city, brother.
See, Banku, there are a lot of opportunities in the city. You will make good cash. You come back to this village and flex. See, you see your girlfriend, yeah? You see a lot of yas in the city.
If you like to follow you to go to a city, I want my brother Fufundu go follow me.
For what? No. Ah, so that you people will go and continue all this thing you're doing in this village in the city?
If you like to go to the city, I want the Fufu go follow with my brother. I tell you the truth.
Okay, is that the only option? Is that the only thing that will make you follow me to the city? Huh?
Feel like I will go.
Okay, then I agree. I accept. But Ja is not going with you. Only Fufu.
Okay.
So let's do it. Hey, mommy, we are coming, eh? We shall come and see you next time. Hey, BANKU. Oh, no. Yeah. Mama, you are going to be a city man. Mama! Mufti.
Yes, sir.
I called you here for us to have a chat. There is this thing I want you to do for me. You understand? You know this, my brother, BANKU.
That BANKU, that tough guy.
Yeah, the one that came with me from the village.
Yeah, I remember it.
I had a chat with him, and he said what he would love to do is boxing. You know, boxing is my passion, and I've been investing in it. So my brother will not be an exception. So I want you to handle him, train him so that he can be the best.
Thank you very much. You know, as for my guys, they are very strong, tough, and you know them. I don't train Euro guys. You know me. And your brother too. Some of them, you just see them very tough, but inside they are nothing.
Yeah.
So I have to check him very well.
That's no problem. It's not around right now. I think I'll fix a time for that.
So how much will you pay me for the materials and...
Mufti, you and money, Ade! Oh, sometimes you should leave money aside and look at... Ade! Oh, can't you do something for your brother and think of tomorrow?
You know, we cannot work with that money. We have to buy them correct and quality equipment. We use correct materials and equipment.
Okay, well, you know, he's my brother, so money won't be a problem, huh? Don't worry. Well, money will be an issue here. I'll get to whatsoever you need, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Anokwa muma yankati e marefre Enka banku unya niluwe Enedi abani sending tokwa bebrebe Enedi abani sen yedi ani obanya obakwa fawasu 2 boxes in town They are ready to bout Liwani banku who will be the best Obanya obakwa let go Judgment day Judgment day Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day. Don't forget me, I'm out of our city. That's a winning penny. When Sasuechi, made me waba, Mumfanya me waninkaye, Yaya Nilowe, Nipa Ninkaye, Ninkaye. Nipa ningaye
BANKU Twi. BANKU Twi. BANKU Twi. BANKU Twi.
Let me see.
See what That's mine. BANKU Twi.
Who gave it to you? Your boyfriend is back.
Kelvin? Who is Kelvin? It's BANKU that is back. And he's very, very rich. Oh my god, look at me.
It's a lie. Shut up. Huh? You mean BANKU gave you all this to share?
No, point of correction. He didn't give us to share. One for each. This is mine.
Yes.
This is mine.
My boyfriend is rich. I'm going to see him.
Where are you going? Don't you know you will look cheap?
Yes. Huh? So it's right. You look cheap.
Wait for him to come for you.
Yeah, I think with that he'll value you in the future. So you just wait, he'll come for you. He'll surely come.
I'm sure he'll come.
Trust that he will come.
Let me go and see.
Wait. He will come here for you.
Banku the hardest thing.
Banku the hardest thing. Banku the hardest thing.
Yeah, what happened?
Me, I'm very angry with you. I'm very angry with you. You came yesterday, you've given all my friends money, now you have come here to sit here. What do you want?
Don't worry, I told you I have the family meeting. I told you. Right now I came here, I want to see you. I will take you to the city. Right now, get money, plenty. Anything you want, I will give your mama the money. I will give your father money. What happened? Now look at me, fucking loaded.
Are you serious?
Yes. Look at my phones. Look at my chains. And look here, and look here. Look here. Yeah, I have money. My breakfast, Japan. Lunch, India, money. Yeah, call me money man.
My BANKU money man.
Look at my phone, I'm getting right now.
Hey, would you buy me one?
I'll give you one, yeah. What happened?
Hey, BANKU.
Don't rush.
BANKU, you take me to the city.
I'll take you to the city.
BANKU, you are
I love you.
Me to the city.
Yes.
Me, yeah.
Yeah, I will change your life to the city. Money, BANKU.
Hey, BANKU. BANKU.
Oh,
Hey,
my sweetheart. I love you.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Man.
It's a very interesting about
Akuapem, man.
You will help me. The Ben will help me. So I polish. The Ben will be teaching about new mammy. But it's you put my compose and swipe account.
Because in this village, me, I'm the fresh girl.
You know, if they you know, yeah, what? Hey, yeah, no. Yeah, anyway, on a more serious note, in time from I still see BUKOM BANKU before I city. I am pine and yampa.
Yes, man, he wants to take me to the city.
Are you okay here?
Yes.
Are you dizzy?
No.
No. BUKOM BANKU before I city. And you are so proud of it, right? BUKOM BANKU na phone to toss it to tomato. Na pump promise what swallow to kios. Or don't want tam. What will it do?
Man, look around this village. Now BANKU is on top. Oh. See, you haven't seen this. BANKU is on top, man. See.
Holy heavens. BANKU is on top. What for them?
He's on top right now. Right now he's on top, so me too, I'll be on top.
Will you shut up before I start mashing your bones? Huh? BANKU BANKU sound so 2 hours. No, sorry. What I say? Hey, Nabeka. Ni tattoos no. No, not at all. Any problem pay no dash. Hey. Aye. Almost she not training. Don't you ever dare tell me about that man, okay? Am I clear?
I didn't know.
You didn't know. Then you better know. Me pesa, penny to penny no BUKOM BANKU. Me mondi ne chinne because o mame say so mame no. O mame ni ho me na me shows. What eh? O mame ho ka ko di BANKU achi. Ko be tru fam. E say na mame be no. Say na me so me ye. What eh? O mame ni ho ti na me do apata me ho.
E bi anka BANKU be to ka ma no na o age na.
Jankwasa se me kan. Kai, removable assets. What ye pay? Fixed asset, fixed liabilities, okay? O mame ni ho. E na me do apata me ho. Me do aka me ma me ho. Me pay rough. Mama ko be tru fam. O mama say me see to it say, o welfare will be bia okay. Me mpre e ma wundi BUKOM kochi enko city. Get up go you buy back na the cover pese na ko. Don't look at me that way. I don't like the stare. What is this? Go and take one yam and go home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baba fe o da say BANKU. BANKU na nim sa pampa na fo atoto. Na fo atoto sen so a. Now you don't see here. How na ka be hu? Na ya sekrama obem mo tam wo hu ni.
Yo. BANKU. Mama. Who go here pa? Don't go. You say the way you. Daddy me, what you know?
Mama, I go watch her very well. Don't worry, Mama.
And what do you know? I have one you. I have one. It's a one. I want to papa. And it's
come na papa wo. Man me dance. Man kokko no enhye san suruma. What did you make a child? One so me straw. And quiet penning some more. Go no one tower dear what it. Go home. And I do there. With your bro. Why? Hey, which I won't try and maybe some what I was in water. I was a crossy pony. Only my family or the family. Mammy, what banana? Federico because you saw the abbey. Who the abbey because you saw one, then you know to go. Federico saw abbey. Fun of ah, oh, my best is so boomyama. Me Federico. Good evening, man. Hey, no one. Good evening, man. My God, Mufie it is what pin in the hole. You hired one to Tomamo. Oh, and you'll be out. And you'll be a Mocachano. Why? And the confanot in the fish or the Oliver. Mostly. Madame from Makuni Fish, Madame. Yeah, she's gone to the city. The city only more. Ma. Yeah, only your friend is a book of BANKU city. This is our city girl. Why? Papa, yes, Mewu. No, mamma did not jam me. Obi and mamma did not jam me. I may shall so. Hey, has a woman coffee. Me can say, me trust yes, say, mamma, but me can say, ready. It's a baby jammy. It's a baby jammy. Oh, yeah, see myself. Yeah, see myself. Yeah, tubo. Tubo na me pepe, my papa, mau, BUKOM BANKU na wadine ji. Oko sell. Oko prepare. But you are fe too. Esumani hai eni twaka. We esumia hai. Then I know with you. And you know that you marry. So free aqua. But one in here to say war. We need pop one. We are very wicked. Ya mammy coordinate me. This one is should be a mina me shallow. And we are missing me by running my name a crack for Manua. So BUKOM BANKU, I didn't cook. One of the catchers say BUKOM BANKU person in the cook Cassinums, Debbie. On China, me man, but my papa, no worry no. That's on our school. Or see you what? Oh, me, my coffee, I'll be cock a minute, Diane. Me koya, Uniho. Michelle enough for me beside. It's what my BUKOM BANKU, I did not cook Cassin without my knowledge. Men pabo ni akeka. Shame fa komo to kesi na me nkofa no mrabo ko. Pabo di akeka me pe etinse kwa kom ha minim. Ko da ho kakra so obia ni me de mesram obi di hie mesro na me kofa no mrabo ko. Kunama mi bisa we social welfare. We social welfare. Ana wo hwe nkwala so. Wo na hwe wo mo so. Ana wo ya waju. Wo ya dopsu. Ana why didn't you? When you put one in here, it's a one that didn't baby jaw. Me na me mama ba no kwaso one. Fisa no kokko a break say a better tea gu kwa. O fa no kokko kasim, no ko shine so na minute sense ga kokko. No ba wo a wo wani ewu poto, wo ne won sama ka kan kautrim. Sima di kaka, me so memory na say. Virus wo me twe na ma delete, na ma edit. Don't tell me. What? Don't tell me. Me joy. It would do a michoko because of who. Mention a dalu to a wow. Mention a good dalu to me. Whoa, wouldn't give me that download to Papa.
Dr. Ray on the beat.
Playback music.
Oh, you be my lover, I can be your man. Let's go see my mommy. Oh, BANKU, oh, you be my lover, I can be your man. Let's go see my mommy. Oh, BANKU, say one man no chop, say one man no chop, say one man no chop, one man no chop, one man no chop.
Hello. Hey, sweet mama, grandma. Sweet mama. Sweet mama. Let me help you, eh?
Oh no, I'll manage. Where are you from?
Is something ready? I am starving.
No, I prepared it. I'm just preparing the fish so that you're done right now, okay?
I'm really starving.
Oh, I finished right now.
Oh, you know what? Let me help you so that you finish.
No.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I'll manage.
If you say so.
Why so moody?
No, I'm okay. Just that I have a little problem with, you know, tomorrow I have to go hunting. Very early in the morning. You know that. I promise you some bushmeat, grass cutter. But my gun is spoiled beyond repair. And I was thinking if I can get a favor from you, like 100 Ghana cedis, so that I can fix it. If not, I can go tomorrow.
100 Ghana, it's not too much.
Oh no, I mean, it's really sport. Understand?
Listen, you know I don't have much.
Yeah.
I sell ice water to make ends meet, I beg you. So when I give you this money, I beg you in the name of God, try to refund it.
Why are you talking like that? Don't you trust me again? It's me.
But I don't have enough, so
I understand.
Giving you 100 Ghana, it's gonna.
Yeah, I know. You should trust me now, eh? Yeah, so let me finish up so that I bring them. Is it for 3 that you're Abobitaji? I want plenty on you. Plenty on you. Bring the money and stop that thing. Yeah.
As I said, I don't have enough. So this one you have to try and find
it. You should trust me, okay? I will do just like you said. So
I want this kind of pipe of fire then. Eh? What the man I then? Discount. Papa only to buy back a cry. Who first camera? First camera, what do you want? What do you? I don't know. What's that?
No worry, children are the same, so.
My sweetheart says, my papa only to buy.
Children, they are the same, so. When you see me, I couldn't even finish the BANKU, so I can't even take it. So
Mama catch papa only to buy my catch. Yo, my catch. I'll pay on my show, so standing out there.
It didn't say you. Wait. It didn't say you. I put a body.
Oh, ma!
What? I didn't know, sir. What me teach me real? Be me didn't teach me real. Eh? O be didn't come and wash it. What my dear mommy? Only my dear or your mommy. Who was so trumpana? Who was a heady? What in car? Who put what in car? What fellow? I black tell my fellow. Who my dear mommy? Only my dear or your mommy? chichina ba chichina so abakata den. You can tell you plan what you come baby ni. Feminist. Come. Asha ne pa. Share. Come ni mo ase. Papa dia na no no. O se sama duana me ye ne den. Come ha no me just papa be me wo mo menya obema tintin gram out so. Hey!
Sammy. Charlie, aren't you going to do anything about this your call?
Charlie, I've taken all the drugs that I can, but it's not going. So I decided to just let it go naturally.
Anyway, this is your brother Banku. Are you sure he's ready for this fight? What I'm hearing from town and the investigations I'm doing, guy, this Willie guy is swift fighter.
Man, you of all people know that I've been in this boxing business for long now, and I've never lost any bout.
I know that.
And it all started with my brother, and I've gotten him a boxing trainer.
Really?
You know, and aside that, you know, Banku is very strong. So, Charlie,
anyway,
we've won the battle already.
I was very impressed about his last fight.
Oh.
And anyway, okay, now back to business. That thing you spoke about the other time. I checked on the net, guy, the price has dropped. Yes, it's now 65,000.
Wow.
So we need to place order.
My husband. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Concerning that,
who is she?
Oh, that's Banku's wife from the village.
Banku?
Yeah.
Anyway, we need to place order fast.
Okay.
Because this one is cool chop. When we place the order sharp.
Okay.
Quickly. For me, I'm ready. Sammy, this is business.
You know,
it's nothing to think about.
Ben, you won't understand. You know, me having this bout, this Banku bout by the side, just here, and this one now coming up.
I know, but this is assured. Cool cash.
Well, what I'll do is I'll issue a check.
Sammy, check. No. Hey, come. Sammy, listen. Check. Money is hard to come by. Check. Okay, tell me. What date are you putting on?
Hold on. Let me break it.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm very, very sorry.
Okay.
My name is Ya.
Okay.
Please, can I have your number?
Number.
Yes.
Is something the problem?
No, nothing. Not at all.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to give you a call.
Sure.
Thank you.
You could not do what? Why to who I do Kunasa? Not a total. Oh, what's on it? What? What's on it? What's on it? And I'm not going to sit up. I'm not going to Kunama. I shall take Kusukua over Bahami. Chia Memory Bema. I went what Dano Bema Kitatua, also Baby Kumi. A semi shame who see you pa. Now when Yami obey me. Now when Yami obey me, so and then Madame Hoson and them. I don't know what has
Don't worry. Leave them. Let's
talk about
Hey, this afternoon you are looking so beautiful. Let's go and finish one outside. Do you know why I'm here? I have a problem with my gun. Oh, but tomorrow morning, I have to go to the bush.
Good, and yes,
we can't get one. But unfortunately, my gun is spent.
Hey,
yes, so the reason why I came here is like, if you can help me with 100 Ghana cedis before.
Hey, you catch them on. And now I'm going to a BANKU school fees and now I'm young train. Minim sa wo ba ye me be defender for okra no manya kakra akwakoto aso and I say nkoma me no dia na siri ame no siri nyina masai no masai mensem e dey na wo ye 100
just 100
you are here.
Sit down.
Shut up.
Where to
Who ma dia oye Who ma dia oye me be ko me ba ma kan papa me papa 100 Ghana Osini to say. Osini to say. And to a 100 Ghana wo. Aye. Oh, you see no you so ni mo. Enti etu akupe and I would be that. Oh, shut up. When I'm from boy. I'm disgracing you. Hey, catch it. So when you really for boni ni papa. Yes. Shut. Ay, yes so. Asuka krana swaje ya unko ube he we say ro na mwanzo bienu cabbage kakai na ya kikawe me wa kwa uni mukubio wa jo we ya je wa jime papa okika itibom wa jime wo de oba for man why ay yes, be manya sumia na wo de uti ato no so ampa sa se na wo ye konsuo no ko hono nsuo no no abra na what no baby sa se hwan na hono nsuo hey mi kura ba ji mi o
mami we dey na for na se mi da to ani Sasa mami, the area sekono. Mami, my way and me people catch. Ana me nyabo fa so bi. Ana mami, se be ma de u be ma, o be bre. Sa na so ntwe na obuada. Mami, me madam fa no ku school BUKOM BANKU. Inya ho no tu kwa ko kasi. Mami, siska abu na kunya no. Isi o boxer. Ai so hwe ko fo jiska ye bunu mpo sa o ska o sanya wo. Na ba ko e catch me te fe ne ya. E ne girlfriend. Wa sa no fo no so ko kasi mami, den siska o gen so nya na. Mama nya san kotwa. Ti mo anu nyime na na, bo no respect space film say. Manya ko mkoti ya BUKOM BANKU ade ya. Obefuma ko. Am say, eh. Ezi mama boy na nyim ho adwin bon adamfo de. Adamfo bi sinua. when you want to come and say, I'm when you schedule cameras on Mediba. When the for catching the China, no, nobody else in our street. To whom some quanes and Newton McCoy.
Me, my uncle.
What's it?
Me, my own 2 9.
Oh, my uncle.
Kokesi so a way the Ubakona, walk on me, my uncle. And you come with Jackakura. And when one you that's my uncle and Cassaquan comes away before. School went I don't have a School what you me about, Mammy. What Hana would do has our Mobrano? Ober's Mayana, me, Mamma, and I'm in terms of Mobra. Mamma, quite Jacka. Who can say one cause of me? Mental command. No, what we hear you, ma. Box some could share in Mabubi. Let me sky at the hill. What do we need the boxy? What do we need the boxy? I do mean organ on my issue. No, be no way over by a number more than Nasu, and I will be it. Will be able to chance I see so. Football of fun, as a mother will be Shana. What my call I call you owe me, Metamfi, like Kinsey, or will shop Boboha. Assume a lesson, or shop box on her. Almost so. Ah, married also. Ah, mammy, the battle, Miss Elwood Jacko Jacqua. I didn't make questions every time. Won't make a smile. Won't make a Mimma baby. I don't think them out of the Apple South. My Uka so, one cause a member, ultimate Tamako. I don't know about no 7 the boom was my mamma. No, I put some of the cousin Macqua. What's my name? Catano. Said about my catching, said about me.
Hello? 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 Hi. This is Ya. Yes, please, where are you? I would like to see you. I want to have a chat with you. Yes, that restaurant. Yes, I know that. Okay. I'll meet you. Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Just wondering whether I have to attend to other things or keep on waiting.
Thank you very much for waiting.
You're welcome. Yeah, you sounded so urgent on the phone. You wanted to see me and all that. Something the matter?
No, it is not anything serious. I just wanted to have a little chat with you.
Excuse my manners. Can I offer you anything?
Oh no, I'm fine. Thank you.
Alright. Yeah.
You see, I just got back from the village and I don't really know my way around Accra. Yeah, so I just needed someone that I could hang out with. Looking at you, I see you to be a very cool, calm and interesting person. So I thought maybe we could be friends and you show me around Accra.
Yeah, sure, we can be friends.
Yeah. Thank you. So you're going to show me around Accra. Would you have time for that? Oh, you've got something. Oh.
Sammy, he'll be in the position to show you around.
The thing is, you know, Sammy is always busy with BUKOM and his training stuff, so they don't really have time for me. That's why I have come to you, so maybe you could, you know, do that for me.
If that would make you happy, why not? Sammy is my friend. I would love to show you around town. There's so many nice places that, yeah, you can go to, and don't worry, you're in good hands.
Thank you so much. You know, I would really love to explore Accra with someone interesting like you.
You're welcome.
I'm so happy that you will take me around. It would be cool moving with a guy like you. Sorry, you had something in your head.
BUKOM but that day, what can come. Very good. Okay. You want what can come. Now make sense, say. I will say about 20 to you. So on the sound to do
my name is Rama Kamoko, aka BUKOM. I prepare myself. I have the fitness. I'm doing everything 100%. By this time, Fufu will be manya. That day, I want my friends to come and see that fight in BUKOM Square. Me, BUKOM, I will kill Fufu.
My name is Fufu Power. I'm selling myself before my friends be selling myself. Tell BUKOM say, me, I will beat them. I will stop it because it's a small kill. It's a child, a small child. You don't stand my face.
Double wahala. Your way. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Lil Wayne and BUKOM are two best friends, one village in one corner. They know they like to go class. So stubborn they do. And if you don't know, you go tell their mama say they no go school, you die. They go beat you up, nabi. So insult them, sabi. I beg you, which kind wahala be this? Le when them BUKOM BANKU go to school. Go to school.